Firstly, understand the basics. Dive into the fundamental concepts of AI, such as machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, algorithms, and data analysis. Secondly, learn programming. A robust foundation in languages like Python is crucial. Master data manipulation, algorithm creation, and working with libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and sklearn. Thirdly, mathematics and statistics are your friends. They form the backbone of AI, so focus on linear algebra, calculus, probability, and statistics. Fourthly, harness the power of online courses and tutorials. Platforms like Coursera, edX, Udacity, and Khan Academy offer a plethora of AI courses. The fifth step is to get your hands dirty with projects. Apply your knowledge by building real-world applications to solidify your understanding and create a portfolio. The sixth step is to familiarize yourself with deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. They simplify the implementation of complex neural networks. Seventh, feed your mind with research papers and books on AI and machine learning. It's a brilliant way to stay updated on the latest developments and understand advanced concepts. Eighth, consider specializing in a specific AI area like natural language processing, computer vision, or reinforcement learning. Ninth, join online AI communities and forums. Engaging with a community can be incredibly beneficial. 10th, participate in coding competitions on platforms like Kaggle. They provide real-world challenges and a chance to test your skills against others. 11th, network. Attending AI meetups, conferences, and workshops can lead to job opportunities and collaborations. The 12th step is to build a portfolio. As you work on projects, create a portfolio showcasing your work, code samples, and any AI-related contributions. 13th, seek AI-related internships or research positions. The practical experience gained through internships can be invaluable when applying for jobs. 14th, create a professional LinkedIn profile to highlight your skills, projects, and achievements. Recruiters are always on the lookout. Finally, the 15th step, apply for jobs. Prepare for interviews, showcase your portfolio, and highlight your practical experience. So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting a career in AI. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination. Happy learning,